For making vada, you need 1 cup urad dal. Add some water in a bowl and rinse it thoroughly. You will notice water turned white while washing. Soak urad dal for about 6 hours. Grind it into a fine paste and add some amount of cold water if required. Now put the batter inside a bowl. Mix the batter in a circular motion in one direction. One cup chopped onions. 1 teaspoon salt. Chopped curry leaves. Few peppercorns. Now start mixing it in one direction. It should be in the same direction which you had chosen earlier. Now heat oil in a wok. Keep the oil on medium flame and check whether the oil is hot enough to fry a vada. Now I will be showing you how to make a vada shape. It might be little difficult, but if you try you will be easily making it. First take some batter 1 spoon or tablespoon in a spatula. Make a hole with any spoon the back part in middle and then tilt the spatula in the oil and using a butter knife or any knife you can just try to leave the batter from the spatula. Now let it fry on a slow flame. Let it fry until it becomes golden brown. The spatula technique is an innovative way to make vadas. As the vadas have become brown, I will be removing it in a plate. You can see so nice color it has. And it is equally crispy and soft from inside. You can use this technique to make vadas. It's easy and safe. Do watch and try. These vadas are soft from inside and crispy from outside. Enjoy it with sambar. Keep in touch for more delicious dishes. Thank you for watching.